In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page break in Google Sheets. Page breaks let you control exactly where one printed page ends and the next begins, so your tables don't split awkwardly and your reports look clean and professional. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, click the App Launcher, the small grid of dots. From the menu that opens, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet you want to work with, whether it's a recent file or one from your drive. With your document open, go to the menu bar and click File. From there, choose Print. This opens the Print Preview screen, which is where all the page layout tools live. On the right side, you'll see options for things like paper size, orientation, margins, and scaling. And in this view, you can preview exactly how your pages will break. Keep in mind that page breaks respond to those settings, so the layout you see here is what your printer will follow. To take full control, click Set Custom Page Breaks. Your sheet switches to a special view with blue dashed lines showing current page boundaries. This grid view is interactive. You can drag the lines to choose where each page starts and ends, giving you precise control over the flow of your content. Click a horizontal line and drag it up or down to place a break between specific rows. Great for keeping headers with their data or ensuring a summary lands on a single page. You can also adjust vertical lines to manage how wide sheets break across pages if your spreadsheet has many columns. Take a moment to position the first break exactly where you want it, so headings, totals, and charts don't get split. If you need another page break, click the last visible boundary line and drag it again. Each time you drag that end line, you create another page region, letting you define multiple pages in one pass. You can keep adjusting until the preview looks right, and if a break isn't quite where you want it, just drag it to a new spot. It helps to think in sections, group related rows together, and keep important labels at the top of a page for clarity. When you're satisfied, click Confirm Breaks. You'll return to Print Preview with your custom breaks applied. Scroll through the preview to verify that pages start and end exactly where you planned. From here, you can proceed with printing or simply close the preview if you just wanted to set things up for later. And that's it. By setting custom page breaks in Google Sheets, you ensure your data prints logically and looks polished every time.